Alright guys, so this is going to be my update on my hair. This is the hair that I got from Annabelle Hair. This is the very first virgin hair company I have ever reviewed in my life from AliExpress. Is it? Oh gosh, let me not make such a big claim. Is it? I know I've been contacted by a lot of virgin hair companies from AliExpress and I've been telling them no because of the horror stories that I've heard. People having bugs in their hair, people getting scammed. Oh my god, they received something completely different. The closure is a mess. I was like, nah, boo, I don't think I want to review your hair. Like, nah. How about nah? So they contacted me and for some strange reason I agreed on oh gosh, anyway, for some strange reason I agreed to doing the review. So this is the very first hair that I got from them, and I am going to step out on a limb and say this is your Brazilian tight curly or kinky curly. If I'm wrong, you know I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna be somewhere in the video and it'll be in the title as well as the description box. And for me, it's kind of a pet peeve when people are doing reviews and they don't know the name of the hair, they don't know the name of the products, they're linking it to read this, read that, whatever. But for me, it's a pet peeve. If you're going to do a review, it's professional to know what you're doing, know what you're saying, know the brand that you are reviewing and the brand that you are temporarily representing for that period of time that you have the product. But I just finished this tutorial and I was like, yo, let me just hurry up and box these videos out before my little man gets back here, okay? Because you know Jonathan can be a handful. So yeah, so I'm wearing 4 bundles and a closure. Yo, this hair, woo, gosh, like you don't know how I feel about curly hair. I love me some curly hair. Are you guys screenshotting this? So I hope y'all got some good screenshots. You weren't ready? Okay. I know you got your life, boo. I know you got your life because I am living. And this hair is so nice. No. My only pet peeve, my only con, my only bad thing about this hair is the closure. And I said it in my reviews that I did before. I said it in the last video I made about this hair, that the closure is just no. Like, no. It takes so much to work with this closure. Like, the entire hair, I can go like days. Alright? Oh. Big up Pookie's hair and boutique studio. Yes. But anyway, I can go days without doing anything to this hair. Like, just days without doing anything to this hair. But it's say like, as in the bundles. But it's like the closure, man. The closure, it takes a lot of maintenance. You see how flush it looks now with the hair, like it goes and it matches and the curl pattern matches, it's not too dry. Bruh, I had to damp the top of the head. I just wanted to get to the closure. Damp the top of the head. No, wash it, co-wash the top of my head, the closure, which eventually, because it's a wig, so eventually everything got wet. Everything. Stop it, y'all nasty. After that, then I put, what did I put on there? This coconut thingy from Cantu. This coconut thingy from Cantu, I just put on it and like just scrunched it up. And surprisingly, it doesn't feel as, you know what I mean? It feels very soft and luscious, like it's the rest of the bundle. So maybe that Cantu thing worked. Because I mean, the closure is slaying right now, but I won't lie to you, this closure took some time, bruh. It took time, man. But it's looking good now, I guess. But I'm just being honest with you guys, letting you guys know my full experience with this hair. But it looks good now. But yeah, it's a wig, so this can be a center part, a side part, a deep side part, whatever you want it to be, except a bang, unless you're going to like a full bang or whatever. But this I have had it since, how long has it been? Since before my birthday, January, February, we're in March. I probably had this for about either 5 to 6 months, and I recently made this wig and I did not wash the hair before I put it back onto this before I made it into a wig, and the last time I washed it was the last time I had it in, and that was a couple months ago. So I'm saying like the rest of this hair is golden, it's gorgeous. The bundles are low maintenance, and now I just realized since making this video with what I used on the closure can be low maintenance as well, but before it was drying out on your girl like crazy, and I was a little bit hesitant in wearing it. But I just had to come and give you guys an update. This is going to be the last video on this hair, but you guys know when you see this, you know it's Annabelle hair. When you see this, you know it's from AliExpress, bubble. Yes, honey, yes. So that's it on this. That smell like it. It's sweaty. So that's it on this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a little short, sweet, to the point. They has not done me wrong except for the closure. I explained to you guys my cons, just the closure, and obviously it's working today. So I hopefully I've been showing you the products. Hopefully I found it and I've been showing it to you guys. I've had lipstick on my teeth this entire time. No. Yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Annabelle hair. Thank you so much for sending me your hair to review. Thank you. I love it. Y'all know how I love the closure, but I said I made it work. I made it work. I love this hair. I love how big it gets, and you know this hair gets bigger, right? Like, you know this hair gets bigger. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know I'm tiny, but I love big hair and I love long hair. But yeah, so Annabelle hair, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and for being so kind to me as well. When I would reach out to you, the response time wasn't bad at all. I really truly appreciate that from just a company in general, whether it's AliExpress or not. I appreciate if I'm reaching out to you. If you reach out to me and I'm getting back to you, get back to me, now I mean. And I don't mind a day or two wait because you're busy, but when it's gonna go a week, 2 weeks, it's like, nah boo, nah. And I think I'm guilty of that, but that's not about me. Thanks, Annabelle here, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Yeah. That's not a third boob, it's actually the knot I tied and then tucked it onto my shirt, just so you know.